Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'll discuss with you writing task 1, and the question for today is: the diagram below shows the plan of a library in 2001 and 2009. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main feature and make comparisons where relevant. So we are given this diagram which is representing ground floor 2001 and in 2009. So a lot of modifications can be seen, a lot of new additions can be seen in the year 2009. So let's see. We can see that the entrance will remained unaltered. There was no change to the entrance, librarian's desk and stairs. Rest: on the left of the entrance there were shelves for self-help and history, which are converted in which are be used for history books, fiction books, self-help, kitchen, economics and law in the year 2009. Fiction here in the northern side has been changed to children's book, and in front of that children's area is also constructed, or the place for children area has also been made. Newspaper and periodicals have been changed into films and DVDs. The tables, which used to be 8 or separated, are joined and now are 4 in number. And some space is also made for computers in the year 2009. So let's see how we can write this now. The rendered diagrams illustrate the layout of the ground floor of a library in 2001 and 2009. Overall, the ground level underwent significant modification over 8 years, and a lot more things were added. So a lot of additions can be seen. In 2001, the entrance was in the south direction, which remained unmodified. The self-help and history section occupied the whole left side of the entrance, while in 2009, fiction, cooking, economics and law books were added at that place. So we have already discussed that on the left side there was self-help and history section in 2001, while in 2009 these books were also added at that place. In 2009, the fiction section on the back wall was covered by a children's book. Now in 2009, this fiction section in 2009 was covered by children's books, and a children's area was erected in front of the children's book. So in front of that, an area is also made for the children's. The newspaper and periodicals were kept on the right wall, which has been altered into films and DVDs section after 8 years, and in front of it some space was occupied for computers. So some space was also there for computers. Lastly, the 8 smaller tables were replaced by 4 bigger ones in 2009. The librarian desk was right in front of the entrance, and the stairs at the right corner were remained unaltered throughout the period. So these two things remain unaltered throughout the period. Okay. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.